Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. It's the morning time here in Kenya. It's a holiday. I heard it's Independence Day in Kenya family. 12th of December is Independence Day, guys. I just want to make this video, guys, while I'm actually waiting for my tree tomato juice. I'm actually getting a tree tomato juice here, family. And while I was exercising this morning, these things actually pop up in my head. I normally have a lot of investment ideas. I just want to share it with you guys because for like-minded people like me who want to come back to Africa and you don't know the way how, because everything is in the West, and when you come to Africa you cannot come to really work, and no work is here. You have to be the one come to create the jobs. So I just want to make this video, guys, to give you some ideas. And as you know, while I'm here, I'm growing, I'm mixing and mingling with the people. I'm seeing in the future what is happening, and what the future will look like, family. So if you in the Americas, if you in the West and you're in Europe, you already do your time in the Europe, you already work, you have your money saved up, and you realize that, can't really live in this country, because the tax man will come and eat out back all of my money, and a lot of things have happened. And as you know, Africa is my motherland, and I really want to go back, but I don't know the way how, because starting over, it's so hard, family. It's so hard to start over. And if you don't actually have a mindset of something that you really want so badly, trying to start over, if you don't have guidance and stuff, you have to pay to learn. Because I came and I paid to learn, and now, guys, I have to just rebuild. I have to rebuild again, family, for my family, for the next generation. And this, now that I'm building now, will last forever, because now I understand. I understand, and I realize what I did wrong and stuff. So now I want to pass on my knowledge to you. And in return, it's a need for this, and that's the reason why, family, I'm actually making this video, and to help people who want to actually come back, help them get settled, help them manage their investment in a way that you can actually in the country like we're at right now, in the West, and you decide you see a good investment and you want to grab at it now, family, because nothing lasts forever. And if you don't grab it, somebody else will grab it. And time wait and no man. So I just want to pay it forward, family. And I was thinking this morning while I was exercising that if you want to move to Africa, if you want to relocate to Africa, if you want to retire in Africa, if you want to make sure you die and your body buried in the motherland, just like when you take your fourth parents, where you come back and your body was buried here and stuff. If that's what you're thinking, if that's what you want to raise your family here, you want to come get a wife, you're going to come and get a husband and start your life, you have to be digital. You have to be digital. You have to learn how to be digital. We are moving in the information age, digital age right now. Everything is digitalized, family. And for me, the most I experience digitalization is in Kenya, family, because trust me, moving around in Kenya, I don't have cash. Everything is through M-Pesa, transferring money from a bank to M-Pesa, from a business to M-Pesa, my business account to M-Pesa. Everything is M-Pesa, family. So, Kenya is really digital, and you want it in an African country that is digital, that you can manage your business online, and your money can just flow in. And once the money flow in now, then you invest it and buying properties and stuff, set up Airbnbs and stuff, family. So if you watching this overseas and you're looking to come back, family, my wife actually have a management and property company, agency company, family. We're starting up that for the new year, and I'm just bringing some news to you right now. We have one company that we're working with right now. We have one company that we're working with right now, guys. That's the tree tomato. Blending up right there. Let me show you. Brother, what's up? Yeah. Fine, man. I'm fine. Just here to get my special, you know. Yeah, family. So that's the Tree Tomato family. So, you know, as I was saying, family, that, you know what I mean, we're starting up this company to help you based on the experience that I went through when I came, how I was scammed by Dimongo and our entire family. And, you know, I just get guys, you know, for people who's coming back, I know it's painful to come and lose your investment, which you actually come to build. You know, that money could have taken you a long way. And you end up losing it just because you link up with dishonest people. You know what I mean? Fake people. People who faking it and feel like they can making it. But when you fake it, you won't make it. You follow this old storyline that fake it until you make it. You know, but faking it, you won't make it. It's a digital age and everybody's watching you, everybody's seeing you. So you cannot hide and fake, you know what I mean? So family, so as I was saying to you guys, we're starting up this real estate management company. My wife is actually, she was in that field, and you know, we have a lot of stuff, you know, and a lot of services that we can offer to you. I'm just gonna pitch something off made. If I was you and I'm watching this, if I was you and I have like 100,000 US and I say, yeah, I want to come to Africa and I want to build something up in Africa. I want to actually, you know what I mean, have a home in Africa. I want to have an apartment in Africa. I want to like buy land. I want to like start doing some investment in Africa. Because next 5 years, I'm going to move out there. And you need somebody you can trust. And you can send your money to. You can actually, you know what I mean, I'm not, if I was you, you know, you are not me, but if I was you, I'm just saying it. That's what I would do if I actually find a company and somebody who's from the West who come and live. I build them family and I do them thing normal every day. Not scam and not clickbait, and just I live a normal life. And I live within their means and I try to make it. You know what I mean? And somebody that is honest and know that something is not for you, is not for you, and stealing is stealing. You know? So if I were you, family, and I have that money and I see, you know, these apartments like what we're showing right now that is going and deposit. You make a deposit, family, 50%, 30%. And you get 24 months to pay. This is like an international company. I just want to let you guys that we don't recommend. You can do your local company, but I don't use anything local. It has to be international because, you know, local real estate, it's not modern. It's just kind of old-fashioned. So we actually only deal with international developer and realtor that actually building apartments and stuff. And most of the apartment, them when you find them off-plan or almost finished, you actually get the option to deposit and get a 24 months payment, like a payment plan, family. And you can pay like 500 a month. We have like the bed seat of them going for 20,000 US, family. You can make a payment at 10,000 and you pay the next 10,000 in installment within 24 months. I have a close connection with the sales manager, and we work in family to actually help you to invest, and actually, you know, we can manage it for you. So let me take my Tree Tomato. I'll pay you via M-Pesa, right? I use the till there, right?
Yes.
Alright, family, let me pay for this Tree Tomato while I come back to you. Yeah, family. So as I was saying to you, that family, that you know, with an investment like this, you know, doing this through our Amro real estate agency and management company, family, we can actually, you know, we can actually manage this for you. We can actually get full-time tenant for you. We can actually get you set it up as Airbnb, family, and we manage it for you. All the money will come to your bank account, your Airbnb account, and all we'll do will be the host and the person to manage it for you and run it for you. All you got to do is just, you know, just send us the money and we can actually go and purchase and set up a Airbnb. And meanwhile you're away working and stuff, the Airbnb making money for you. We manage the guests and everything, and you get all the money coming in your bank account. And you know, when you're ready to come to Africa, you already have an apartment, and when you come, you don't have to stress out yourself. You know what I mean? Just relax yourself and keep adding to your portfolio, keep adding more investments. You know what I mean? And you know, all of these things, the home will be yours. So you'll forever be an Airbnb. It's not like a rental or anything. So that's a good investment, family. That's a And that's the thing, you have to look to the places that are developing. Look to the developed world. Everything in Kenya is digital, family. So if you're looking to actually come and relocate to Africa, you have to think digital, family. You have to think that how can you actually in Africa and making money in your country, and the money is coming back to you here in Africa, and then that's what you do is to invest. So I'm just trying to actually give you some tips. If you actually come in, that's how you have to set up your system. You have to set up whatever business you're doing, you have to automate it and make sure that you have people running it, or if you're doing e-commerce, or if you do whatever you're doing, Airbnb, you know what I mean? And that's where we come in. If you're doing Airbnb, we can help you run it for your family and set it up nice. So you cannot get all the money rolled into your bank account while we actually here, doing the our job for your family. So those are some of the services that we offer. And if you buy your home and you want to get full-time tenant, it's actually empty, and you want to get full-time tenant, we can arrange all of that for you, and everything just roll into your bank account every month, and you just relax. And that same money you can just use to pay the monthly installment. Yeah, their family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. I hope actually you learned something from this. And if you're thinking about moving to Africa, you have to get digital. You know what I mean? You have to find a way to get digital, and that's the reason, that's where we come in, family. So if you can't get digital, let's say you have a 9-to-5 job, a high-paying job in the West, and you can't get digital, and you tell yourself, say, yo, I'm gonna give myself 10 years to get digital. You know what I mean? By the time 10 years come, you're supposed to have at least 5 Airbnb, 5 apartments with this system that we have. You know what I mean? You can buy one cash and take one and deposit down payment, and that one cash that you buy, the money I pay for this one that you deposit every month. You know what I mean? When you take a stock, 10 years come and you have like 3, 4, 5 apartments here. You know what I mean? And those are making money for you. So when you're ready to retire and come back, you have all that you know what I mean, that investment in your portfolio. You buy your land, you do your thing, and you just build your thing, family. So, you know what I mean? These are some of the things that, you know what I mean, if I were you, I would be doing if I were you. So I'm just giving you these ideas, family, that, you know what I mean, when the West is falling, you should be here in Africa, relaxing and chilling and enjoying life. Africa is the holy land, family. It's the holy land. That's where everything happens on earth. Life start, all the biblical events happen in southern part of Africa. And if you don't know that, a link will be in this video for you to actually see the proof and evidence that all of these things they just trick us. They steal everything from us, our identity, everything. And you have to be wise and actually, know that. And once you know that it's time to come back. And we are here to help your family. We are here living, and we just, all the experience that I go through, I actually want to share it back with you. Everything, family. So if you're looking to come and ready to get set up, as you can see, our Jamaican sister is set up. She have her apartment, she have everything. If you find this, if you find that, so nobody won't get to scam her or nothing and hike the price and tell her all kind of thing, family. Scam you into buying land and all kind of thing. You have to go through the proper channel, family, because if this is gonna be a place where you're gonna retire old and grey, die, you have to make it right. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we are here for, family, and we want to help you. And if you want us to help you, just reach out to WhatsApp message. You can send us a WhatsApp message. And if you're overseas, you have somebody on the ground, we can actually take them on site to see the property. The project that we are dealing with right now, everything is going to finish in January. So if you can get on this thing early, it would be good, because after the apartment finish and everybody buy out, then that option is not there anymore for the deposit option. So only option for you to buy cash, and people buy and resell, and that's how they do it. But it's actually almost finished now, and that option is almost finished. So if you can get on this early, where you can get a 50% deposit down and then pay the 2 years installment, then that's a good deal, family. You know what I mean? You just pay it every month. Once it's done, you actually set it as a Airbnb, or set it up as a full-time rental, or if you're coming, you will have it to actually stay in and you don't have to kill yourself, you know what I mean, find yourself where to stay, where to go. You know what I mean, this project is actually UN certified. So in Kenya, you have UN people. If your apartment is not up to standard, UN workers, they cannot actually rent from you. So this apartment is modern, as you can see, and it's UN certified. So people from UN can live there. Stuff. So people from UN can actually rent from you. So if you get one of these apartments, you know, people who work in UN can actually rent from you, family. Yeah, family. So this is Ankeru from the Jam Tours Africa family. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you understand digitalization and where the world is going right now. And that's the reason why you find that, you know, most of these social media influencers, they're addicted to social media right now, because they can just make a video, dance 2 times, they can just make a video, and they'll get money in their bank account. So this is where the world is going, family. So you have to actually get digital if you need to come to Africa. There's no way around it, and you know what I mean, we are here to help you to get digital and get money start to flow in your bank account while you're away working or doing what you're doing. While you prepare and make a plan to relocate, you'll have in some investment here. So when you come, it's just like your job. It's just like you're in the West working. When you come every month, your money coming in your account, and you don't feel like so you have to do much, because we already do the hard lifting for you. Help you set up everything, help you get in your car, help you get a lot of stuff. We get you help set up, family. So if you come, just coming to visit and you want a place to rent, we can help you too, family. There's so much service that we have for. You know, if you want like house managers and stuff to actually come and do your cleaning and stuff, yeah, we can help with that. We have all that type of service to offer you. Yeah, family, so like, share and comment. Let me know your thoughts. We're out. One love. God bless. Get digital. Relocate. Come back to the motherland, holy land. We're out.